This video for Duct. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video, you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. So you want to make sure you have on your homepage more than 1500 words, because pictures say the correct way and you have a right keywords. So the second thing I want to talk about is a citation. So as we see here, we have a map pack. So what is the citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. It's basically saying yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high over here in the maps, you want to make sure that you are looking at your competition directory listing and seeing what they currently being listed in, and you want to go out and list in there as well. And you want to put a little bit more than them, because that way you're going to be dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we are already covered content and citation, and last thing I want to cover is backlinks. So that has a lot to do with this organic section over here. And as you see, we can see Yelp, we can see their expertise, Home Advisors. These are all big national companies that taken up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, it means is that their website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. So for example, a link from Pizza Hut is not going to be as much good for you as, let's say, another HY company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So if I go here in one of my tools here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of those companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So as I see here, you have 134 referring domains. That gives you more than 1,000 backlinks. You're getting found for 172 keywords, and out of average on your site each month. Just I want to show you one of your competitors. See, they have 716 referring domains. That brings them more than 3,000 backlinks, found from more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they have more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So these numbers, to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in that. So this is that's pretty much it what I had today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. And thanks again, and you have a great day.